everybody, and today we're going to put the screen protector for the Rogue, and we're going to actually put it on there, right?
Yeah, and we're gonna be testing out this screen protector. This is kind of like a this is not a glass protector, but we'll see how good this is. This was actually again, it's for the Asus ROG, as you can see there. Asus ROG.
Can I say something real quick? And also, I can on my computer, I can also scan the QR code. I just recognized that. I can see it.
That's true. It's got a QR code for those of you guys want to. Kind of gives you instructions on how to install this. Again, this is not a glass protector. This is more like a wet type screen protector. This is actually, I won't recommend it for like new users, because you got to be really careful that this takes a lot of water to apply it on the system. So make sure your system does not get wet. So you're going to need some tape to protect it. So we got some tape here. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to put this tape all the way around here. And I'll show you guys how. Just because you don't want to...
You don't want it to be damaged.
Correct, yes.
I'm an expert at these things.
Yeah,
guys.
you're pretty good. You're an expert now.
Yeah, because I'm 6 years old.
Oh, wow.
And I'm going to go into first grade.
Okay. And see, you want to make sure that you put the tape down like this, so you don't want it to go anywhere inside the buttons here.
I just recognized
any openings there as well. So especially the speaker grill here. So make sure you guys do put this any kind of good tape all the way around there. I don't know. I'm gonna get it close to the edge there.
Hopefully it doesn't press the turn on button, or else that would be bad.
That's right. Yeah, make sure you do turn it off, because yeah, you don't want it to turn on in the middle of the installation.
I just recognized that right now.
Yeah. So we're putting this on like this. So that's away from the edge there. So hopefully you can see that.
I can see there's like a little bit white left.
It's okay, because then that way we have enough in case the screen protector goes to that edge. But I just want to, we've got to make sure that we put enough tape so it won't go into the ports, the open ports in there. Yeah. So yeah, see this one. Here it shouldn't go in here further out in there. So as long as you got that tape all the way around there. So see how we got this on here?
And also, guys, I can scan the QR code on my computer. So good thing I have it. And maybe me and Nito can do it with you guys on, so you guys can see.
Yeah. And then in here, again, you get this little cloth, cleaning cloth here, as you can see here in the package. And this is a little squeegee, and it's rubberized, and you can see it's kind of tapered all the way around.
Can I feel it?
Yeah, it's kind of like rubbery.
Yep.
So,
it can bend too.
Yeah, that makes it easier. And again, they got another installation guide here, QR code.
Yep, I can scan that for you, Litos, actually.
Yeah, you can scan it, right?
Yep, because my computer can actually scan the QR codes.
Yeah, and it's got more instructions here, as you guys can see here. It's warning, kind of like a, let me see, hopefully that, I don't know if that catches on the
that's good.
That way, kind of like giving you a heads up.
Yep,
warning
giving you a warning,
like
giving you a warning.
Yeah, not to get it wet, and you gotta, and see how flexible this is. This screen protector. It's the kind of like rubberized.
But Litos, how are you gonna see the screen if it's white?
Oh, it's got a. Oh, actually, there's two of them. So I guess this includes two screen protectors.
I guess they put two just in case we need extras.
I guess
just in case we lose one.
Yeah, this one doesn't say that it comes with two. So, well, I guess we got two. So,
yep.
Yeah, basically you're gonna peel this.
Or maybe it's an accident.
Yeah. So you're gonna peel these out and then see. I
can actually see how you need to take it off.
Yeah, that's true. So let's go ahead and make sure you have your dust free here. So I made sure I took as much dust as I could, and they provide this little spray bottle. So what you're gonna do is, hopefully this works.
Oh, it works. There it goes.
What I'm gonna do is just kind of get it wet first, and I got another little towel here. I just want to make sure I take out as much as dust I can off of it.
You mind? Did you close it?
No, that's okay.
Yeah, because maybe we'll drop it. Yeah, and it gets kind of dirty from the floor.
Yeah, we don't want to drop it. So then just kind of clean it
Yeah, and guys, you also need the placemat for the rogue. I just remembered that.
Actually, this little rag, if you guys can look, it's actually, it's not,
That looks like a dinosaur shape.
well, it's actually leaving dust behind from this little rag. So I don't know where they got that rag. So make sure.
They should leave two of them just in case it leaves some.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this tape because just to take all this dust out. They don't provide a little.
It works.
tape.
It works pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if test out that little cleaning cloth. Make sure
It works for you guys.
Yeah, because it's
It's supposed to work.
Mm-hmm.
And the tapes working pretty good. I like how it's like these little particles stick onto the tape.
Yeah.
I didn't really touch it, guys. Thanks for leaving a little room for me.
No problem. So now it looks much better. Yeah.
Well, good thing we have tape.
Yeah, I would recommend using the tape because, yeah, I don't know about that rag that they provided there. It does look pretty dirty, right?
Yep, and it looks pretty bad.
Yeah.
They should put actually like 10 rags, so just in case it leaves some dirt, some of it behind.
Yeah.
Right?
So, let's see. It's got.
And actually, Litos, we should have cleaned it when I was playing the game, so it can be like already clean.
Yeah. So yeah, just make sure it's really clean. Once
Yep.
Okay, so it looks like it's all cleaned up here.
Mhm. I can see some particles right there.
Okay. Can you? Oh yeah, I see them there too. You see them more?
Don't
move the.
I can see some right here.
Okay.
And it looks like there's some hair right there too.
Oh, just a little dusty.
Oh. Good thing I have vision eyes because I can see anything that's too small for lethal waves.
Oh yeah, thank you. You see anything else? I think it's clear.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah,
I see some particles that you can't see, but I feel like it's more cleaner than it is.
Yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and spray this. Make sure it's nice and wet. And what you want to do is making sure that when you squeeze it off, you want to squeeze it. Don't squeeze it out here where you have it open. You want to go ahead and squeeze it.
Yeah, I
this
even
way
got all
where-
the controllers too, a
Yeah,
little
because
bit.
that way you don't get it inside there. You want to squeeze it this way out. So
Yeah, some of it's still out, but at least it didn't get it on inside there.
yeah, so let's go ahead and we'll peel this out. And what I recommend to do is once you get a little corner.
Be careful, guys. Litos.
Yeah.
It might be a little dusty.
Yeah, what we're gonna do is once we get this corner, it's not the easiest. I still think the
Let me just check it out.
the glass type protectors is probably the easiest.
Okay, mine is
install.
still recording.
And what you want to do is, whoops, you want to go ahead and spray this as well.
Yeah,
Just
just
tape it down.
so it can be clean when you put it on there too.
Yeah, and it makes it easier to install it too when it's nice and wet here. So
Oh, I can see it like getting off, coming
yeah,
off.
so once it's there like this, then you can go ahead and kind of like just kind of float it in there where you want it. As you can
Oh,
see,
that you can see that part.
you see it?
Yeah, but how long do you need to wait until it's ready so they know
Okay.
when to touch it?
Kind of almost instant. You get your
Little sponge
squeezy.
thing?
Yeah. So what I'll do is I recommend once you have it where you want it lined up, as you can see there, just kind of give it a nice little squeezy.
Bath? Little bath?
Yeah. That way it grabs on there, and then go ahead and then come back down this way.
Yeah, so
And
it gets
this way.
ripped on really good.
Yeah, because remember you don't want to push the water that way. So we're trying to avoid that. So we're pushing the water to the
Yeah.
sides.
Good thing we have tape on there.
Yeah, and then just keep a little handy rag too, so that way, you
Yep.
can just kind of wipe out.
Yep, you
any
can
excess.
help the sponge be
Yeah,
better.
and then you can just kind of collect waters really quickly.
Yeah, that we should use the rack for everything.
Yeah, and see there it is. It's
A
on there.
perfectly screen protector.
Yeah, and then what you want to do is on this type of installations, always kind of requires it to dry out, so you might not see the screen as clear right away. So give it a day. If you have any little bubbles or anything, just give it a day, and it should dry out, and it actually should look very nice. Make sure you clean everything out. You don't want no water going in there
Yep,
to your road.
Yep, or else that would be really bad, and then we're gonna need to pay for it.
Yeah, then it's gonna not work no more.
Yep, and then it's not never ever ever again.
Yeah. So now we can go ahead and take this off, right?
Yep, hopefully.
This tape.
Yeah, at least it got in the controllers, but not inside there.
No, I didn't get in the controllers because we had the tape.
Yep, but you can see it got on the white spots.
Yeah, so right here it's got a little bit on the edge here. So
yeah.
So you just grab your rag and then just kind of make sure it's off.
Guys, actually, you should use rags because they work really better.
Yeah,
right?
they actually work really good. And make sure.
I want to make sure my little thing.
You get all this out.
He's in the video.
And get that like that.
You want to give Icy a little kiss?
What's that?
Icy likes kisses.
Oh, really?
Yeah, every time he gets a kiss, he gives someone an ice cream at the end of something.
Ah, and there you go. And there it is. This is kind of like a rubberized type of screen protector. So, that's kind of what you'll get. So that's pretty nice. You can see there, it actually worked out pretty good. Like again, I said, usually give it a day or two, and then you should get a better screen, looking device on there. So yeah, so you guys were interested. Again, these are not the glass type protectors. These are the
the ROG is not in the video.
That's okay. These are the Armorsuit.
Yeah, it kind of looks like an armor man. See, you can see how it looks like an armor man.
Let them see. Show them so they'll know what they.
Okay, do you want to read it? You have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Maybe we'll show it on this other side.
3,
so
2, 1.
Them. And then these are. So yeah, it comes with 2. So maybe they didn't have. I don't know. Maybe 2.
Maybe just in case you had 2 ROGs, one for a boy and one for a grown-up.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks for watching.
Or maybe it was also an accident.
Yeah. So thanks for watching.
Bye. Subscribe. Hit the bell and give us that thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel, and make sure if you subscribe you can see all of our videos.
Yes, that's right. Thanks for watching.